Hey you guys, so I want to show you guys a beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bath home, and this is new construction. So you guys, you can get this house, or you can also get other houses that's like similar to this, or you can customize it and get what you want. But they have this house and other houses that's very similar. This builder in particular, they have this in Haines City, they have it in Kissimmee, I believe they have it in Davenport also. I believe that they have this also in St. Cloud, but they have a lot of different homes you guys can choose from and customize. So let's go ahead and look at the full home. If you guys have any questions, please make sure you guys drop your questions down below in the comments, but let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, it's nice. So when you first come in, you have a full bedroom here with the closet. And it's a nice carpet here. Oh, they have paint and stuff in here, you guys. But it's a nice size closet and I like it. So here is the full bedroom. They have a bathroom here, but it's not fully put together like their normal bathroom. This is just a model, you guys. So it's going to look different than this. They just have it so that the people that's working here can be able to use the bathroom. But you have the bathroom here. And you have another bedroom. And again, you have your closet here. So another closet. It's about the same size as the other closet. So yes, this is a bedroom. So you got 2 bedrooms. So as you walk in, and then you actually have another bedroom over here. So this is to the left of the front door. So here is another bedroom, you guys. And the closet. Again, more storage stuff, you guys. But you can kind of see what they have. And then right outside the bedroom, you guys can see they have a laundry room, which I love. I love the point that you have a laundry room and a little space for the dog. And that's right outside the bedroom. Then we go back down the hall. And look at this beauty right here, you guys. This is so pretty. This is very open, you guys. So this one have a little bit more upgrades than normal, but this is something that you guys can build. Still, you still can get this built, and you can ask for, excuse me, some of the upgrades, or you guys can change things out. Like, I believe you can change the flooring out. You can get different type of flooring, different colored cabinets, different layout of the whole house too. So you guys can pick the different things that you want to get and what you want to change. Now, I love the back. We in Florida, so it's really warm here, you guys. This is beautiful back there. Very beautiful weather today too. Here's another look of it. So pretty, right? Then here is the master bedroom. And your master bath. So pretty. I just love it in here, you guys. Okay. I love that they have the double vanity here. So you actually have a closet there, and you also have another closet here, and then here is the shower, you guys. Really nice. And before we look at the closets, let's do another double take on the master bedroom. And actually, you don't have a closet here. I'm sorry. This is the actual toilet. I'm thinking of another house, you guys. So yep, just your toilet. Here's a lot of space in there too, right? It's a lot of space in there. So I like when it's separate like that. So you can be in there handling your business while somebody is not in there in the shower. And then here is the closet. So this closet is huge, you guys. Very, very big. Now this house is in a community that they do have a pool here. So let's go and check out the pool since we've seen the full house. Okay, you guys, so this is the pool. Look at the beautiful palm trees. I just love it. So this is the pool here, you guys. I am not going to go all the way in because I want to show you guys the different lots, and I want to show you guys what they're actually building right now. So here is the actual pool here, you guys. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. A lot of space. If you guys can see back there too, there's even a place where the kids can play, which is very, very good. If you guys have little kids, it's a spot on the other side where the kids can actually play. But I just love, love, love this pool, and a lot of seating area here for you guys. You want to sit over here. You can also sit over there too. So yep, this is your pool, and it's so they have it too where it's like 1 feet, so like even your little babies can come in here. So I just love this, you guys. But let's go ahead and look at some of the other homes that they're building right now, so you guys can see what it looked like while they're in that building stage. And let's go see if we can see a few lots. So you guys, here is some of the homes that they just built. So these are amazing. So these are some that they just built. Though that one right there, you can see that they're still in the construction phase of it. They're still building it out. They don't have it completed yet. So you can see this is what it usually look like, you guys. Dirt everywhere. And look at these birds. I hope they don't do nothing to me, but they seem a little scared too. Look, all of these homes right here are currently being built. So you guys can get some. I think some of these are sold already. Some of them are going to be available very soon. These start from the 300s, so that's really good for those people that still want to have a decent mortgage, especially if you're already renting right now and you want to pay about how much you're paying for rent. So you can see it's a lot of homes down here that they're doing. It's a lot of homes that they're doing. But I have my heels on, you guys. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get in the car, and then I'm going to ride down here so you guys can see all of the different homes that they're doing. But this is just amazing to be able to see it at this phase, because soon it's going to be all the way done, similar to that one. So they're still in the building phase. These are the homes that I said I wanted to show you guys. So you can see they still have to build here. So these are a few lots. I don't know if they already bought these lots out. I don't know exactly what's going on with those, but if you have questions about them, I could definitely look into them and let you guys know exactly what lots are available and where you can possibly build. But this is what it looks like when it's in the building stage. Kind of don't want to record them. Is somebody working? Hello. 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 Gracias. So he was spraying water, but here is some more of the homes. I love that they are using this at the bottom instead of, I seen some of the builders are using some, I forgot what type of wood that is, but they're using some builders use that for the whole house, like you don't have any brick at all. And I don't like that, but I love that they are building a nice quality house. So let's see exactly what else they have going up. So you can see the further we get to, the further up we get, you can see more and more put together. And it's kind of where we started at earlier when I was showing you those homes. And look, they even a second story too. I seen some even put the wood on the second story. So with this one, they have that going all the way up. I love, love, love that. I love, love, love that. Now these are starting in at 300,000, you guys. So this is where we kind of stop with the video last, and then you can see going down there, those houses are already done.